Samsung Galaxy J7 Max Preview. Introduction. The J7 Max is one of the latest models to join Samsung's budget J series of devices. The J7 nomenclature means it is one of the more expensive models in this series, and the Max name is mostly regarding the size and battery capacity. The J7 Max is one of Samsung's continued attempts to compete in the mid-range market against the onslaught of Chinese devices. While previous attempts weren't particularly impressive, perhaps this time the company has managed to get the price-to-performance ratio right. We're about to see. With the competition in this segment heating up, the Galaxy J7 Max spec sheet certainly doesn't seem terribly exciting. But not everything shows up on the spec sheet. For the rest, we will have to take a closer look at the device.